We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2019 Indian Chief Vintage. This one is in Thunder Black. It's got the beautiful white walls, spoked wheels, tons of chrome detailing. We've got those engine guards. All of our controls are chrome as well. The leather saddlebags that match the rider and passenger seat with that beautiful fringe. This bike has the 111 cubic inch engine and also equipped with ABS. This bike runs off of a fob, so we have a power button and only 17 miles on the odometer. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.